Hey guys, as you can see behind us, we're at Capulin Volcano. It's a national monument, so if you notice, the drone work wasn't the greatest. I can't get within 400 feet of it, so I can't actually fly from the top. So all the footage that you're going to see from here on out will be from the GoPro or our Sony cam.
And we're in a northeast of New Mexico still. So actually it's because of all the COVID lockdown stuff, national parks are still open. We're yet to see what the visitor center and all that stuff is like, but we're giving it a shot. We'll see how this goes. So,
but when I was flying, I seen cars driving up to the top of it. So at least we're going to be able to drive up to the top of it with you guys.
Yay.
And show you what's up there. So let's go.
Okay, here we go with another incline. Good thing we're a little sore from yesterday's hike.
This is a pretty plain Jane going up. We'll catch you up to the top. Alright guys, as every other national monument and park, it was crowded up there. I was going to try to close out the video at the sign down front where we hopefully have the thumbnail, but
too many people.
People crawling all over that sucker. So now, I mean, what is it, 1 o'clock?
I think it's close to it. Yeah.
We're gonna try to get home. We got things to do before we have to go back to work.
Laundry, clean up, unpack.
Yeah.
But no, it's a nice stop off. Definitely worthwhile to definitely see it. If you look out, once you get up to the rim, you can actually see several other volcanoes in the area. There's lots of shields. There's a couple other cylindrical as well, cone as well further to the north that you can see once you get up to the top. Yeah. So it's neat. It's definitely worth a stop.
Yep.
So
it costs $20. I wouldn't recommend bringing your trailer. They do have a spot for you to unhook, but I mean, if you're in a car, just come on up, pay the $20. Drive up. You could hike down into the cone, or you could go to the rim.
Yeah.
We went up partially.
Of the rim. Yeah, I got some views, and
yeah,
it was nice. And plus, it was good to get out of the car and stretch. So.
Yeah, good stretch
point.
Stop.
Yeah.
So, all right, that's it for this week, guys. If you liked it, give us a thumbs up as always, and subscribe if you haven't already. We'll see you next week. Hey guys, you always see these hole in the wall stops. Most people usually drive by them and hit the name brand stuff. This place, it's got wine. Back here in the back, antiques with all kinds of cool
Lots
stuff.
Of metalwork, outdoor rustic furniture.
Antler jewelry stands.
The saddlebag purses. Oh, geez, they're beautiful and actually decently priced. They're not overly priced. It's actually a really good buy.
Yeah.
So, but definitely worth a stop, especially if you're here. So.
Venison jerky, summer sausage, elk. Yes. So definitely stop here if you're in the area. This place is amazing.
Yeah, thumbs up. Definitely good.
Now let's close out that video.